going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. The first thing you would want to do is basically pop your hood. It's pretty simple to change these out. If you look right here, right behind the light, you'll see your headlight right here, and all you have to do is kind of turn it. I'm turning this one back and pull out like that, and your headlight will basically be out. Then after that, what you want to do is turn it to the back and see the back, and then you just want to push down on that little lever in the back. Hold on, let me get a better angle so you can see it. All right, kind of zoom down on it. You see that? All you gotta do is push down on the back right here, and the light bulb will pop out. And then what you need to do is put your new one in, and then you'll be done pretty much. So once again, folks, this is how you would change out your lights on a 2018 Nissan Rogue. All right, thanks.